Before installation, prepare the front splitter, side splitter risers, and necessary tools. The car should be clean and dry. We recommend using a lift. Using screws, attach the side splitters to the front splitter. Place the front splitter against the car. Double-check its fit. Then, using the holes in the splitter, mark the mounting locations on the bumper. Drill holes for the mounting screws in these locations. Place the splitter against the bumper and double-check the alignment of the side splitters. Then, mark the outline of the side splitters on the bumper. Thoroughly clean, degrease, and wipe the marked area. Note: if the car has PPF or ceramic coating, a section of the film or coating should be removed from the mounting location. Remove small sections of the protective film from the double-sided tape on the splitter and fold them outward. Next, place the splitter on the bumper as marked. Press the splitter firmly against the bumper and gradually remove the remaining protective film from the double-sided tape. Then, secure the splitter to the bumper using screws. Prepare the carbon fiber reinforcement. Clean, degrease, and wipe the underside of the splitter. Apply window adhesive to the reinforcement. Next, place the reinforcement on the underside of the splitter, aligning the center of the reinforcement with the center of the splitter. Press the reinforcement to distribute the adhesive. Then, screw the reinforcement to the splitter.